Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video, we are going to find out whether the given number is a palindrome number or not. So first of all, we will understand what is a palindrome number. So palindrome means nothing but the reverse of a number should be same. For example, if I write 431, the reverse of this number is 134. So both the numbers are not same. Let's take another example. 121. The reverse of this number is nothing but 121. So 121 is a palindrome number. So now we are going to write a Python script to verify the given number is an palindrome number or not. So first we'll understand the mathematical intuitions, how it is working behind in Python scripts. I'm going to take a number, for example, a is equals to 121. Now what I'm going to do is to verify whether it is a palindrome number or not, I'm going to follow some rules to break down into the division and the floor division concepts as well as the mod functions. Let's say 121 divided by 10. What will be the output? So 10, 121, 10 12s are 120, and the remainder is 0. So in Python, the division is used to collect the coefficient value, which is nothing but the value 12. In the same way, when we use the mod function is going to calculate or it's going to accept the remainder value. So once we are doing 121 divided by 10, what we are going to get? Since it is a mod division, we are going to get the result is nothing but 1. See, 1, which is nothing but we are going to pull out the last value. So the last value can be pulled out in a given number with the help of the mod division. This is known as a mod division. So if you don't believe me, let's take a number 432 divided by 10 with the help of mod division. 10, 4, 3, 2. So 10 into 43 is nothing but 430. 43 tens are 430. Remainder is nothing but 2. We can see the last number. We are going to pull out the last number. So why we are pulling out the last number? Since we need to verify the reverse of a number is same or not. First of all, I am going to pull out the last number, then the second number, then the first number, and I am going to cross verify one by one so that we can easily find out whether the given number is a palindrome number or not. So now let's take a number, a variable. So number is equals to 121. Now what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to use while loop, I will let you know why I'm using the while loop. While the given number is greater than 0. Yes, obviously it is the condition is true. 121 greater than 0. Condition is true. So while loop is going to execute whenever the condition is true. Since the condition is true, I'm going inside. I'm going inside the while loop. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a variable called res is equals to the given number mod of 10. Mod of 10. So here we'll do the math calculation. The given number is 121. I'm going to write separately res. So res is nothing but firstly we will get 1 as I told you. So 1 because 121 mod of 10. Once again I'm going to tell you 12s are 120 and the remainder is nothing but 1. So now res is nothing but res value is 1. Okay, let me write it very clearly for the better understanding. Res is equals to 1. Initially res is 1. Next, I will go inside. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write sum is equals to sum into 10 plus res. So what is the meaning of sum? I'm going to take a variable called sum is equals to 0. Why does this requires? Let's say if I am taking sum, 0 means 0 into 10 is nothing but 0 plus 0 plus RES. RES is nothing but 1. So now the sum is updated. Now the sum from 0, it goes to 1. So the sum value has been updated. I'll let you know because this is the mathematical approach for finding the even number is a palindrome or not. Next, what I'm going to do is number is equals to the given number mod of, floor division of 10. So division and floor division both are same, but division is going to collect the floating value also. Floor division will not collect the floating value. So that's why I'm using the floor division. So now what we are doing, number is nothing but 121, mod division of 10. So 10, 121, 10, 12 are 120, and the remainder is 1. Since it is a division, mod division is going to collect 12. Yes. So the number variable has been updated. I'm going to write it very clearly. Number is equals to 12. See, from 121, the number changes to 12. From 0, sum changes to 1. From RES, currently it is 1. Now the loop iterates. Why the loop is iterating? Because until and unless the condition is true for the while loop, the loop is going to execute. Come on, the loop is again iterating. Since the number is now 12, 12 greater than 0, condition true, come inside. Again, check the value for RES. What is the number now? Number is nothing but 12. 12 mod of 10. So 10, 12, 10 ones are 10, remainder is 2. As I told you, pulling out the last value. Now RES has been updated. RES is equals to 2. RES value has been updated. Next, the next line. Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus RES. What is the sum? Currently sum is 1. 1 into 10 is nothing but 10. 10 plus RES. 10 plus RES. What is the RES? RES is currently 2. So 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12. So sum value has been updated to 12. 12. Next, the third line. Number is equal to number mod of 10. So what is the number? Number is nothing but currently it is 12. 12 for division of 10. Already we have the solution. The output will get as 1. So number will be 1. Completed. Second iteration also completed. Now, since again the loop will be iterated because the while loop is not terminating. While loop is not terminating based upon the conditions what we have given. Now number is nothing but 1. 1 greater than 0. Condition true. Again it goes inside. Now find out the number. Number is nothing but 1. 1 mod of 10. So 10, 1, 10 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1. So obviously we are getting the last one. RES is nothing but 1. Next line sum. This is very important. What is the currently sum? Sum is nothing but 12. So 12 into 10 plus what is an RES? RES is 1. 12 into 10 is nothing but 120. 128 plus 1 is nothing but 121. So finally I got sum value 121. Next line. Number is equals to number mod of 10. See, we are already getting the same logic, right? We are getting the coefficient as 0. So number is 0. So number is 0. Now loop iterates. It checks here. 0 greater than 0. Condition false while loop terminates. So after doing all the mathematical logic, finally we need to check the variable called sum. In the sum, we are having a value. In the sum, we are having a value. So based upon those value, I'm going to write a logic. So if the sum, if it is double equals to number, I'm going to print it is a palindrome number. Palindrome number. Or else it is not a palindrome number. It is not a palindrome number. Palindrome number. Simple logic. But the question is, it will be, the output will be, comes from the, it is not a palindrome number. See, it is not a palindrome number, but the given number is 121. It should be a palindrome number. Why we are getting an issue? Because you are checking the condition, sum double equals to number. Where the sum we got as 121 at the final stage, but the number at the final stage, the variable has been updated inside the while loop. So number is 0. So 121 double equal to 0. Condition false. So if condition is not satisfied, that's why it is going to the else block. What I'm going to do is, I am going to save the given number, the 121, I'm going to save in a variable called temp. Simple. So inside the while loop, if the number has been changes to 0 also, my temp variable will be 121 only. So if I write here temp, the sum is 121 and the temp variable is also 121. So the condition satisfied, it will be a palindrome number. Simple. If we give another number, you can check with different kind of numbers. Let's say if I give 222, this is also a palindrome number. See, it is also a palindrome number. And if I want to check with the different numbers, if I just want to check with 145, see, the reverse of a number is 541. Both are not at all matching. See, it is not a palindrome number. Okay, so hope you find out the logic, guys. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the Vihara Tech and please join in the entire community of data science, artificial intelligence, and AWS DevOps to get paid internship and to work under the real world use cases. Thank you.